Юу цаанда манайхан би өнөөдөр бичлэг тоглох байна гэвэл би ML ороо Mobile Legends тоглох гэж байна. За би энэ чар бичтэй тэр.
My goal is simple, to break the curse upon my family.
Our turret is under attack.
I've never told this, but I do give
Monster kill. Shut down. Shut down. You have been slain.
It was a relief.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill. An ally has been enemy double kill. An ally has been slain.
People regard me
An
as
enemy
a
has been slain.
shadow.
Double kill. Triple kill. You have slain an enemy. Request backup. Double kill.
Good.
Your team destroyed ally has slain Lord.
За одоо манай бидний чиг одоо доордоо
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
I will guide to the unknown.
Ally has been slain.
голгоо юм.
Your team destroyed a turret. An ally has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Paxleys are always true to their word.
Killing spree. Mega kill. Double kill. Triple kill. Maniac.
Зогтон боломжгүй удаа.
Victory.
Хөө ямаа цол 2 хүчил. Энэ хоёрыг наач баслаа. Дараагийн хамтлаг